What if astronauts could create tools, repair satellites, or even build habitats on the moon, all with a 3D printer? This technology is transforming space exploration, and in this video, we'll explore how it's changing the way we live and work beyond Earth. In 2014, history was made when the first 3D printer was sent to the International Space Station. This marked a major step toward on-demand manufacturing in space, allowing astronauts to create tools and parts without waiting for resupply missions from Earth. With 3D printing, astronauts can print replacement parts and tools as needed, reducing the cost and reliance on Earth-based supply chains. This not only saves time and resources but also enhances mission safety and flexibility. NASA and private companies are taking 3D printing to the next level, exploring its potential to build habitats on the Moon and Mars. Instead of transporting heavy building materials, astronauts could use local resources like lunar regolith to construct sustainable outposts. Beyond planetary exploration, companies are working on 3D printed satellites and even entire space stations. This could revolutionize how we build and maintain infrastructure in space, making it more cost-effective and adaptable. Despite its promise, 3D printing in space faces challenges. Materials must withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and microgravity while maintaining strength and durability. Researchers are working to improve the speed and precision of space-based 3D printing. One key innovation is recycling materials, allowing astronauts to repurpose old parts into new tools, reducing waste and increasing sustainability. From repairing tools on the ISS to building entire structures on the Moon, 3D printing is revolutionizing space exploration. As technology advances, we'll see even more groundbreaking applications that push the boundaries of human spaceflight. The future of space is being built, one 3D print at a time. If you're excited about the possibilities of 3D printing in space, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more deep dives into space innovation.